This now is your product overview with all your already existing products. So we have got the different columns here, which are added from standard. We've got the selection of the language and the button add product or add digital product. So you can change or modify your columns. Just click on the list settings for this. Then this module opens where you can then set if you want to use the compact view. This is the view which we are using now. This is the standard view, so it's a bit more compact if you just check this. Then we've got the show preview images. If you just uncheck this, you can see that the images just disappear. And then you can modify your columns with these checkboxes here. You can say, okay, I don't want to show the manufacturer column, so just uncheck it then. You can change the position of the active column, so this will just change the position of the respective columns then. Then we've got our filter opportunity on the right side. Should just click on the filter button and our filters open. So we can, for example, select a status at the top here. We can filter through the active or deactivated products. This is the place for the stock filter. We can now filter from or to, so just enter a value which you want to filter for. We can filter images, so at least one product image assigned or no product image assigned. Manufacturer, sales channels, categories, or even sales from or to. Obviously, a price filter, a tag filter, a product states filter. So this means if it is a physical or a digital product. And at least at the bottom here, at last you can filter by the release date. So if you just set some filters here, for example, I don't know, 3 of a kind, and want to reset these filters, you don't have to just deactivate the filters here. You can press the button reset all, and then it empties all the filters. This is a reload button or a refresh button. So if you want to refresh the filter, just click on this button here. And with the X, you just close the filter again.